Hello, fellow wanderers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey that goes beyond sightseeing and selfies. We're delving into the transformative practice of mindful travel. Get ready to explore the world with purpose, presence, and a deeper connection to the places you visit. Mindful travel is about more than ticking off bucket list destinations. It's an approach that emphasizes being fully present, appreciating local cultures, and leaving a positive impact. It's about experiencing travel with intention. The essence of mindful travel lies in cultivating presence. It means immersing yourself in the moment, savoring the sights, sounds, and sensations of a place. We'll explore techniques to help you stay present during your travels. Engaging with locals can be a transformative aspect of mindful travel. It opens doors to cultural exchanges, insights, and meaningful connections. We'll share tips on how to approach and interact with locals respectfully and authentically. Mindful exploration is about going beyond the surface. It's about delving into the history, traditions, and stories that shape a place. We'll guide you on how to seek out experiences that offer a deeper understanding of your destination. Mindful travel also means being environmentally conscious. We'll explore sustainable practices, from reducing plastic waste to supporting local initiatives that protect natural resources and preserve cultural heritage. Food is a gateway to understanding a culture. Mindful eating involves savoring local dishes, learning about ingredients, and appreciating the culinary heritage of a place. We'll guide you on how to approach food with a mindful perspective. Mindful travel isn't just about external exploration. It's also an inward journey. Taking moments of solitude and reflection can deepen your connection to a place and provide insights that last long after your trip. The souvenirs we choose can tell a story of our travels. We'll discuss how to select mementos that hold personal meaning and support local artisans and communities. In the age of smartphones and social media, finding a balance between technology and presence can be a challenge. We'll share strategies on how to use technology mindfully while still fully experiencing your travels. The lessons of mindful travel don't end when your trip does. We'll explore ways to incorporate the principles of mindfulness into your daily life, bringing the spirit of travel into your everyday experiences. And there you have it, fellow mindful travelers. The art of exploring the world with intention, presence, and a deeper connection. We hope this journey has inspired you to embark on your own mindful adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to continue exploring with us. Thanks for joining us on this journey of mindful travel. If you're hungry for more explorations and mindful living tips, explore our channel for more content. Until next time, may your travels be filled with purpose, presence, and endless discoveries. Happy mindful exploring!